In this video, we are going to see how to create an employee in our ERP system. So, let us see the employee details to create all the mandatory fields. For example, employee details, employee ID, employee name, date of birth, date of joining, zone, company category, account category, payroll group, notice period, designation of that particular employee. Next, coming to the department, which department, grade. Next, coming to salary purpose, the complete gross structure for this particular employee, like basic, conveyance allowance, DNS allowance, house rent allowance. Next, PF eligible, ESI eligible, marital status, blood group. Next, father name, mother name, place of birth, the particular employee address, Aadhaar number and PAN number. So, these are the data we going to create in our ERP system. So, let us log in our ERP system, enter the user credential, username and password. Once login our ERP system, to create an employee, we have to navigate to the payroll. In payroll, transaction, in transaction, employee master. In this screen, we have to create that particular data. So, let us create all the fields in this particular screen to create an employee and activate that particular employee in our ERP system. So, to create an employee, we have to click this add button. Once entered into the screen, first employee data, we have to enter the employee ID. Next, enter the employee name. Next, select the employee date of birth. Next, select the employee date of joining. Next, enter the employee calendar. Next, select the employee zone. Next, select the employee's company category. Next, select the employee's account category. Next, select the employee payroll group. Next, enter the employee notice period. After entering this data, verify this data and save this particular document. Once saving this document, the particular employee and the name and the employee ID will be generated. Next, coming to the personal details, select the marital status. Next, select the blood group for this employee. Next, enter the employee's father name. Next, enter the employee mother name. Next, enter the employee place of birth. Next, coming to the address part, in permanent address, enter the employee address. Next, enter the PIN. Next, select the city of this employee. Next, enter the telephone number. After entering all these data, save this particular document. Once saving this document, here same as permanent address will be enabled. If the permanent address is same for this communication address also, then we can click this same as permanent address. So now the permanent address will be reflecting in the communication address. Next, coming to the statutory part. Enter the Aadhaar number. Next, enter the PAN number. After fill this statutory part, save this document. Next, select this particular salary part. In this, the first field is designation. We have to select this particular employee designation. Next, department. We have to select this particular employee department. Next, select this particular employee's grade. After selecting this data, save this document. After saving this document, at right corner, load allowance will be enabled. Click this load allowance. Once click this load allowance, the complete allowance elements will be reflecting here. Now we can fill this elements. After filling this data, save this particular data. Next, for this particular employee, PF eligible. So we have to check this PF eligible. Once checking this PF eligible, the particular adjustment element will be reflecting here. So once preparing the payroll for this particular employee, PF will be automatically calculated based on their gross amount. After feeding all this data, we have to post this particular document. Once posting this particular document will be forwarded to the approver user. Once clicking this post button, the workflow approval will be reflecting here. Here we can set the priority mode. Next, this particular forward person, for this particular forward person will be document will be forwarded. Now click the OK button. So this particular employee document number will be forwarded to that particular approval person. Now we will log in this particular approval person login. Once login, the approval person login, at right corner approval icon will be there. We have to click this approval icon. Here we have to select this particular employee line data. Once selecting this, the particular approval person can view this data also. After selecting this particular employee data, we have to click this process button. The approval pop-up will be reflecting. Here there will be approve option, forward option and return option. Now we are going to approve this particular document. Select this approve and click this process button. Now the particular employee document will be approved successfully and that particular employee will be activated in our ERP system. Now shall we see that particular employee status. So this particular employee status have been active. Thank you for watching.